This is a used 2019 Alpine 3800 FK. This thing's coming loaded up. 6-point auto leveling system. Slides everywhere. Frameless windows. Solid steps. I'll put those down in a little bit. With the oversized grab handles. That big frameless window in the back in the master bedroom. Also, that's the bed slide. So next to your head, by your headboard, you have windows on each side. Slide has a sofa in it. In the slide, gives you a huge living area along with a very large kitchen up top. Up front, you have that classic Alpine front windshield. It's a nice window right in front of your sink. So you can do dishes, hang out, cook, whatever you're doing. You're not looking at a wall, you're looking outside while you're camping. You can see those solid steps. We have a matching set of them. Very nice to have, extra sturdy. And this is in the rear entrance. So you have the master bedroom, bathroom, living area, and up front the kitchen. Let's start in the kitchen. It's that front kitchen, the microwave, gas burners, gas stove, very large countertop, front window, storage, plenty of storage everywhere in this thing. Very large gas and electric refrigerator, dining area. And over here, you have your living area with your electric fireplace, makes a very good space heater. Large TV. Already comes with it installed. More storage, entertainment system, plenty of seating for guests and family. This is theater seating, so it does have the heat and massage, and then it lights up also. And then another sofa. Then we have our bathroom. More storage. High ceilings. Nice little vanity over here. Toilet. And a very clean, good sized shower. With a sliding glass door. One thing I forgot to show you. It's a very nice feature to have. It comes with this is you have a central vacuum system. So you don't have to take a vacuum with you, taking up space. It's right there built in. The master bedroom. This is a huge bed. There's your windows and the sides of the slide out next to the headboards. Storage. Nice wood features in here. Very large window. And then tons of storage here with your TV built in. It's one of my favorite parts about it. They did a really good job with this woodwork. Looks real nice. Gives you plenty of storage. And that's it. Come check it out. Comes with the artwork. And that lights up. Really cool. Really cool with that front kitchen where you can have everybody dining right here. You can have people down here watching the game. Really entertain a lot of people. Give me a call, 616-212-7619. My name is Chase. Thank you.